Hi, my name is Joanne with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Delaware County. I am the FCH agent for the county. This upcoming week is Earth Day, so I thought, well, let's make something earth-friendly. Let's repurpose an item. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a hair wrap. There's many ways on how you can help save the earth, such as you can use a reusable cup, so not utilizing the water bottles. Use your reusable cup by drinking plenty of water or about a cup of coffee. You can opt out of not using straws, or you can use a reusable straw. You can use a reusable bag when you go grocery shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a hair towel wrap by using some old towels and repurposing it into this hair wrap. What you're going to need is an old towel. You'll also need your sewing machine along with your sewing tools, your scissors, your thread, your needle, a hand needle, a button, and an elastic. Let me show you. Alrighty, so I cut the towel kind of like a hilt type shape. So I started from the bottom of the towel all the way across and made it a little round circle. I also used this seam allowance from the towel, that way I won't have to sew or use this bias tape. The next step you want to do is get your elastic and place it right here at the end of the towel. Okay, once we already placed this, we're going to sew on a straight line from the bottom around to the other end. We're going to leave this opening, so let me show you. So I already sewed the elastic all around the towel. Now we just need to do one more step and put the button on the towel. We're going to place the button about 1 inch right in the center of the seam. There you have it, you just made a hair wrap. So when you get out of the shower, you can dry your hair like this, and then find the elastic band and find your button. Thank you for watching, you have a great day.